Hey everybody, ML Toys here with our four-wheel drive speed controller. This speed control is meant to replace the stock speed controller on four-wheel drive cars that are 24 volt, such as the Ryder 24 volt Buggy and also the Big Toy Country Challenger XL, and there are others of that exact same vehicle. You'll know this works for you if you have the same connection points. These three go to the motors. The front motors share one connector. The rear motors have the other connector. You've got a small 2-pin connector and your wide connector to go to your big wiring harness there. If you have those connections and this is the correct piece, we do not sell pedals for this, so if you're looking to turn a car into four-wheel drive, you'll need to come up with, probably the best thing is get one of those vehicles as a donor and swap it, but we don't get involved with that kind of custom fabrication. This is strictly for cars that already come with the speed controller and need a better quality one. This can handle more amperage and wattage flowing through it. So we decided to make this as a standalone if you're not looking to add more speed to your car. You're just looking to repair the vehicle, get it going a little better quality. Another upgrade from ML Toys.